Hey y'all, it's Erika. All right, I gotta make this one quick because I care about it die. But I just did my hair. Used the Crece Pelo deep conditioner. So yeah, if you want to see how it works, how I used it, it's honestly, I loved it. Like it is, y'all. This is crack. Like, I've been loading up on deep conditioners. That's one thing I've been doing differently lately. Every single week, maybe even twice a week sometimes, I'll deep condition with anything that I have, like, honestly. But I'll be doing reviews on the different deep conditioners that I've gotten over time. But you'll see how I use them, you know, what I think about them, things like that. But this is honestly very moisturizing, very hydrating. My curls are popping, sis. You know, I always stretch my hair, but it still look like it doesn't look crazy frizzy. Like, it's cute. I like it. All right, so my camera about to die. All right, if you want to see how I got the look, just keep on watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to become a part of the fam. And yeah, so keep on watching.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.